Welcome back to Dita Racing Exhaust YouTube channel. Today we are back at Project A. What we have here today is the most powerful 4-cylinder compact sedan, the 2020 AMG CLA45S, that we are going to install with this Akrapovic Evolution line titanium exhaust system. The M139 2-liter turbocharged engine that can be found on the A45S and CLA45S produces 416 horsepower and also 500 Newton meters of torque in stock form, and that's why this is the most powerful 4-cylinder engine in the market. Race mode. The mechanics are dismantling the original exhaust system out of the CLA45S, and later we'll replace with this Akrapovic Evolution line titanium exhaust system. So basically we are going to replace from this section all the way to the rear, and this is the original center resonator that actually kills off a lot of sound on the CLA45S. And then we have this very big rear muffler that muted the sound as well. The rear muffler is made of titanium, and we have a pair of beautiful carbon tailpipes. As for the link pipe, it's made out of stainless steel. This is how light the titanium muffler is. Here's some details of the Akrapovic link pipe. You can see there's heat protection over here to prevent too much heat delivered to the LSD. This is how the carbon tailpipes looks like. Outer layer is made of carbon fiber and inner layer is actually titanium. And later on we'll take out this original tailpipes from the CLA45S and replace with this Akrapovic handcrafted carbon fiber tailpipes. We have completed the installation of Akrapovic exhaust system on this beautiful 2020 AMG CLA45S. So let us know in the comment sections below what you think about the sound of Akrapovic exhaust on this beautiful CLA45S. Remember to like and share our video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting contents.